now you're asking where I'm going to the top. Go ahead and turn this one up, cause it's a pop. Yeah, I'm feeling good, I've been living a lot. Don't get it twisted, I'm addicted. The proof of nose wrong, cause didn't see the vision. Now I'm hitting goals with precision. To level up has always been the mission. Level up, 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 level up.
They said I couldn't do it, but I made it through the depths of the crest. Then I slid back up.
YouTube, what's cracking, lacking all aspects RC, and we back with a quick little video, man, on this good Monday after Easter. Hope everybody had a good holiday. I don't celebrate Easter, but you know, to each their own. Everybody that did, hope you had a good Resurrection Day and what have you. Yesterday was just a cool Sunday, you know. But anyway, let's get down to it, man. Check this out. First off, man, let me thank everybody that's been subscribing to the channel, tuning into the channel, and you know, throwing your likes up and your comments. It's really appreciated. You know, we're at 788, I believe, trying to get to that 800, and we'll see where we go after that. You know what I mean? So, I had been digging through some of my parts, totes. I got, I don't know, a little bit. And I'm about to put together a couple of trucks for my cousins. My cousins came over, seen all my stuff, said he wanted a Savage or a truck. So I'm putting together about 2 Savages. So I got all the parts pretty much, but I needed some engines. And I was like, I got a bag of engines in one of these totes. Let me go through them and check them out. So I pulls out the bag and I pull this thing out, which is a Axial engine. But I didn't know what it was. Was it a 28? You know, 20, what was it? I didn't know. So got on some of the Facebook groups and found out that this is a Axial 32, not the RR, which is supposed to be, I guess, a straight race engine. And then you have this one. So I was like, oh shit, okay. Now I got 3 Axial engines. So I was like, I wonder, you know, how it's doing. So I got the old roto start, and oh yeah, it's got some love, it's got some life to it and some giddy up. So I think I'm gonna hold on to that. So that's going into the stash. Then I pulled out this Hyper 21. Didn't know I had it. Got a little bit of compression left, you know. So I think this might go in one of the trucks, or I might just do something else with it, get rid of it. Who knows? There's other engines in there too. I think it's a couple of 5.9s in there, and it's a 21 in there with no backplate. Then this was in there. I was like, nah, it probably ain't even in there, but it was. I was like, okay, all right, well, let's see. Not so good. So yeah, see that? Yeah. So I'm probably gonna have to pull this apart and give it a bath and see where we go from there. So I dropped some afterrun oil off in there yesterday, and it's still doing the same thing. So we're gonna take it apart, probably give it a bath, and maybe look at the internals, make sure ain't nothing all jacked up in there. And but got one of these. So what I want to do is get this engine together, get this Hyper 21 together, and slap it in the trucks for my cousins. And then I think I want to rehab the 5.9 and the Savage 20 and the 21 that I have. But this Axial engine, yeah, oh yeah. So the carb is stuck. So I might have to get another carb or see what I can do with this. But we'll see. But it's got plenty of compression left, so I'm definitely gonna hold on to this. Don't know what I'm gonna put it in, but who knows? I might get rid of it. Somebody might make me an offer. I might, you know, just depends on what I'm gonna need for these projects I got coming up, trying to get these done for my cousins. But yeah, man, I just wanted to come on, you know, with a little engine thing, you know, one time. So I have been seeing Nitro Pimp with all his engines, and then I watched my man RC Fun. He had just came up on a bunch of engines. One of his local hobby shop is converting over to a mini Z-Track, so they need the room, so they're getting rid of all the excess stuff that they have in the back, which is a lot of nitro stuff. And speaking of nitro stuff, we got the Pico Integra. I think I'm finally gonna get this thing running because it's all there. The servo's a little slow, but it's all there. So I'm gonna try to get this started today. Excuse me, I got the starter box already. I just got to get it situated on the starter box where it's lining up with the flywheel, and we're gonna try to get this thing started. Try to get a little short up of that. And Texas Hill just got me inspired. Him and running out the other day, so I've been wanting to run this thing, but I don't just want to run it anywhere because we don't have a lot of really good flat surfaces around here. Everything is bumpy and fucked up, so I'm probably gonna wait till I can get down to Warm Springs Racetrack and probably put it on the track and see what it really does, you know. But I'm gonna tack on a little footage of some savagery to this video. I just want to come on with a quick little video, man. The little motors I got, little engines I got. I got a few more around here I need to go through. Them ain't all. And then one of the trucks I've been dying to get on the channel is my original Savage XL with the Goliath wheels on them. I have never put that on the channel, so I'm gonna try to dive into that because I'm waiting on some parts for the Monster GT. We finally fit to get into that. I want to get into that, but before that, we're gonna get this motherfucking Titan out the way. So that's gonna be this week. So I'm gonna take this pull start off again and try to get it right. So I got it on there and it was working somewhat, but it's not all the way there. So anything I do once, I could do again. So I'm gonna take the Titan, pull that goddamn bane of my existence pull starter off and do it all over again. And hopefully this time I can get it where there's not no slack in it, and where I can actually start the thing. So wish me luck. Okay, but that'll be on hopefully later on this week, about the weekend. So stay tuned for that. And again, thank everybody that has been watching the videos and what have you. I really, really appreciate it. Who knew, you know, that I could be up to where I'm up to. I didn't take this serious when I first started, and I still don't. This is just fun for me. This is just an extension of the RC hobby for me. I'm not trying to get paid. I'm not trying to get 1 million followers. I'm not trying to, do hella extra on here. I'm just trying to show my little stuff that I have and my experience with the hobby and have fun with you guys in the process. So that's my thing. So, and you got yours, I got mine, and we come together and have fun with the shit. So, but yeah, I'm gonna get this some batteries charged up and take the Savage out for a little run. I need some nitro therapy. And thank you for tuning in. Liking and comment and subscribe. And again, thanks to all the people that's been rocking with me from way back 5 years ago, something like that. So I really, really appreciate it, man. And keep running some goddamn nitro. Like I said in the previous video, if you're into RC and curse words, this is the channel for you. This is the channel for you. So with that, see y'all on the next one. All Aspects RC. And I'm out this bitch. Y'all have a good one. Boy, this video right here gonna be chopped the hell up. But anyway, so I do a little, adjustment on the needle. And I noticed when I took off, motherfucking shock is loose. And I'm like, well, how in the hell did that happen? I didn't do no work on these shocks, so why is this? That's just to let you know, man, check your shit before you run. So now I gotta go find a screw and a nut, which I probably got, to go in here so I can run. So now I gotta track that shit down through all my little parts bins and see if I can come up with that. So I'm gonna try to locate that and charge this battery because I'm almost off the green. And shutting down. That is gonna conclude this goddamn video. Fuck. We're gonna try it again later though. Y'all stay with me, man. All Aspects RC. Y'all see that shit? Y'all see that? Something up with old girl. I think my throttle return spring is off or something. We're gonna see. Let me see if I can get this thing fired back up. These mosquitoes eating my ass alive. Let's see. Yeah, old girl ain't agreeing with me, y'all. I don't know what's going on with old girl, man.